Welcome to Math 120. I'm going to show you around how this is set up. So this is our front page that I set for everyone to come into, and you can see details like here's our syllabus, online office hours. I have regular in-person and online office hours. Video about me, the syllabus review, which you should all look at. We're on this Canvas tour here. Course objectives, where to find the content, and where to do my work, and so on. A lot of information you can click on here. Now, you can click on here to get the syllabus as well, in the syllabus tab. It's the same thing as here. It will give you the list of assignments. So I will click on that. I don't like going this direction for a particular reason, because the way this is set up, you need to do this 10-1 lessons by publisher before you do the homework. It's set up as a prerequisite. So I guess I get a little frustrated that it doesn't let me change that order of things. But if we go ahead and go to the modules, so we have online office hour information, and then Canvas student orientation, and here's our chapter 10 stuff. So chapter 10 learning objectives are there. Then 10-1, there's lessons by the publisher, and you can see it's an assignment of 17 points, and it's just going to be watching the videos. That's a prerequisite to doing the homework. These are videos that I have made and notes that I have in there, so it's more information. I don't require you to watch my stuff, but just to do the stuff by the publisher. And then you do the homework. Same thing here, the homework, and so on. So this is one way of doing it. Well, and then there's your first quiz. Then you do installment buying, buying a house with a mortgage, another quiz, and then the 10-6 information, then to the 11-1 information, and then you have another quiz, and so on, another quiz, and that takes you through the first half of the semester. Then I need to update this midterm here, so probably get rid of that, but there'll be a link to the midterm I'll put in here as well, if it lets me. I think it'll let me. So just to have you know that you could work from here without going over to Pearson. But if you want to go over to Pearson, and I'm not sure what it looks like from the student perspective because I'm an instructor, we have the Access Pearson button. So it used to be a My Math Lab button, which isn't valid anymore. So Access Pearson, Open Pearson. So by the way, you'll need the access code for this, and you can get a temporary, you call it access, trial access for the course. So I'm coming over to my course. I don't think there's anything that's you can't see yet, but here you can see assignments in this setting as well, and no grades yet. So I'm not really giving away too much information there, but that's the idea on the course. Is you could come here and do the work. You could stay over in Canvas and do the work as well. And I suggest you stay in Canvas. And that's where I think it's really great that it is so integrated now and embedded that you don't have to leave this site to get the work done. So those are the components of the grade. So they have the assignments. You can also go to Assignments tab. A lot of people like to do that. It's never been the way I like to do things, and you got the lesson by the publisher, then the homework, lesson by publisher, homework. So there's your chapter 10. Chapter 10 is 6.25% of the grade. Chapter 11 is 6.25% of the grade. Then you'll have your quizzes. That's 25% of the grade, and there's 11 of them, and it drops to the lowest one. Then the midterm is 25% of the grade, the final 25% of the grade, then 12, chapter 12, and then chapter 3, each of those 6.25%. So that is the basic idea of our course setup. There are discussion postings you can do if you want. I'm not making that required as part of the course. And so I posted something there. You can post homework questions before and after the midterm. So anyway, that's basically the setup. If you have more questions, please reach out to me. I'll try to clarify anything. If you find a dead link, if I missed something, please let me know. I found something, I'm surprised that the link was gone, but updated that and now it all works. So let me know, and I look forward to working with you this semester, and really helping you to understand the course and the content. And it's a course I really enjoy teaching. So I'm glad I got this chance. Okay, I'll see you online.